How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Internet Download Manager extension to your Chrome browser on PC so you can grab files and videos seamlessly. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To figure out how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome, go up to your Chrome search bar, type IDM extension is not shown in Chrome, and hit Enter. You need to look for the search result from the official Internet Download Manager website. Be very cautious here and do not click on direct links to the Chrome Web Store from the search engine results. As stated by the official developers, there are many fakes lurking there, so following their official help page is the safest way to download IDM extension for Chrome. Once you have the official web page opened, look for the link on that page that says IDM-integration-module and click on it. This link will safely redirect you to the official IDM extension for Google Chrome within the web store. You can double-check that it is the official version by confirming the author is listed as Internet Download Manager. To install IDM extension for Google Chrome, simply click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the IDM module extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. After a moment, IDM will redirect you to a new tab displaying an IDM has been installed successfully page, which confirms the setup is complete. Now, you need to restart your browser. Just close out of Chrome completely and reopen it to let the IDM extension Chrome installation fully take effect. Once you're back in, you can verify if the process to add extension of IDM in Chrome worked by checking your Extensions menu. Click on the little puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome to expand your list. To make sure that the extension has the correct permissions to download media from anywhere, we need to adjust a quick setting. In that same extensions drop-down list, find Internet Download Manager. Right-click on the three dots next to it for more options, and click on Manage Extension. This is a great trick if you ever need to add IDM extension to Chrome manually or adjust its specific site permissions. Scroll down this page until you find the Site Access section and select the option for On All Sites. This ensures Internet Download Manager for Chrome PC can detect media resources globally and shows you exactly how to link IDM with Google Chrome properly. Let's check if downloading with the IDM extension works. Open a new tab and go to a Google Drive file you have permission to download. Right-click on the file, select Download, and wait for Google to scan it. You should immediately see the familiar IDM download prompt take over the standard browser downloader, proving you successfully figured out how to connect IDM with Chrome. Finally, go to the YouTube homepage and open any video. You will now see the IDM extension's Download This Video bar appearing right above or next to the video player, ready to use. Whether you are following along in English or using this as an IDM setup Chrome Bangla visual guide, these exact steps will get your downloader working perfectly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or want to request a specific video next, please let me know down in the comments.